Let us make some cute little 3D carrots with paper quilling. Hi there, this is Agnes from Agnes Paper and Craft. To start, I take a full strip of orange color quilling paper. In my quilling slaughter tool, I slide in the paper strip at a slight angle and start to roll. You can notice the layers of the paper strip that are uniform in distance. But I want the distance to be even lesser so that the length of the carrot is not too long or the carrot is too thin. So I unwind it and make it again with a shorter distance between the layers of the paper strip. The shape we make is called tapered or cone shape. Here you can notice the distance between layers to be much shorter. Keep rolling until you reach the top. You should be more careful while you remove off the shape from the quilling tool. Slide it out slowly or this is what happens. I again take a new strip and do the tapered shape. Glue the end of the strip and slide it out carefully. I apply a big blob of glue to the inside of the cone shape and using quilling needle tool, spread out the glue evenly all along the inside of the shape. You can notice glue coming out of the tip of the cone. This ensures that the glue is spread till the inside of the tip. I take another strip of paper to make a tight coil. Push it to form a slight dome shape. Apply glue to fix the shape. After the glue dried completely, we can attach both the shapes to form a carrot. You can notice that I have aligned the end parts of both the shapes in a straight line. You can stop it here or can use a small strip of paper to wind around in the center to make the carrot to be more secure. For the green part, I trim off small leaf-like shapes from 3 mm wide quilling paper strips. Attach them to the inside of the hole using glue. And the carrot is done. If you like to make even smaller carrots, then take 2 strips of paper together, cut or tear the length you needed. Now do the same steps for making cone and dome shape and attach them together to make a carrot. Hope you like these tiny little 3 carrots. If you would like to make an Easter basket with eggs, then watch my other video.